I have a new circuit and outlet tester to share today. This one's from KAIWEETS. I don't know how to pronounce the company's name. They did send this one over for me to try out. I have tried one of their AC outlet testers, but this one is the entire kit. And it's also going to be able to let you know where your circuit breakers are. So you do have your circuit breaker checker. I'll do a demonstration with that here in a moment. It also does come with a 3-prong to a 2-prong adapter. That way if you do need it to plug into something. And there's a little outlet for like your light sockets where you can check and see if your light sockets are working. You also do get a little adapter here where you can actually test other wires and stuff with it, and you just plug that in. Now today my focus is going to be the outlet and the circuit breaker tester, because that's going to be the biggest one that people are interested in. And especially if you're in an older home, you don't have labels anymore. The labels are faded and horrible, whatever reason it might be. Or maybe whoever owned your home before that didn't actually label everything correctly. I have been there too. Now let's say we want to find out what breaker this outlet is on. Now it's also going to give you a green light letting you know that everything is working. This will also give you a current voltage as well, what's coming out of your wall. All right, so let's go ahead and power this on. Now from what I was seeing is that you just have to go through or go down your circuits to figure out which one's which. So this one is showing red, which over here it has labeled freezer, which is my freezer outlet, so we are correct. So if I was to flip this one, now our outlet tester should be flashing. So if we turn over here, it's going to show here. So we are getting a flashing. So that one should be powered off now. We flip the switch back on, or the breaker back on, and now that light quits flashing. Hit the breaker again, it's going to flash. So we know that the outlet tester is working, and the circuit breaker finder is also working. All right, so I could do another outlet demo just really quick, just to give you an idea. So how about we do the empty laundry room? We don't have a washer and dryer yet, so we can go ahead and plug this one in over here and then test the breakers again. While there's power, it's a solid green. So it's looking like it's showing that 8 is going to be it. We got full red. So if we go down an 8, washer, so yeah, that is correct. So we go ahead and flip that off. Now our thing is going to be flashing again. All right, so this actually works really well, really easy, perfect for those that are trying to figure out what breaker. Now let's say we want to plug it into a random outlet just to see if the power is completely shut down. You already know the breaker and everything. So this is going to be more for the outlet tester itself. All right, so our outlets for the kitchen are already turned off, and we got this plugged in. It is flashing, letting us know that there is not a connection. So we plugged it back in. We're getting nothing up here on our voltage. All right, so I went ahead and went and flipped the breaker. We have voltage back on. So now it is showing voltage on here. So if we take another look, you're going to see that now it shows an active voltage. And we can always use this to test a GFCI outlet. I can't even talk tonight. So let's go ahead and plug it into a GFCI. We'll hit the test. Oh, and there you go. It popped the GFCI, letting you know that it is working. And it says pass. We'll go ahead and reset that again. So whether you're trying to test your outlets or you're trying to figure out your panel or your breakers of what breaker goes to what, I have worked on homes in the past where we couldn't figure out which breaker went to what, and we had to turn off like every breaker to figure out which outlet was which, and that can be a pain. So if you're looking for something that can make those situations so much easier, you can test your outlets individually. You can test and find out which breaker actually works for them. It's just a really nice kit to have. And then you do have your adapters if you need to check like your lamp sockets and stuff. And it does come in this nice little case. Comes with everything that you need. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.